In this video, I am showing you what is data type and how it's work, and I am also showing you go to VS Code and showing real world code. What is data type? Data type is a category of data like number, words or boolean value. I am writing here my integer a equals to 5. Then I am also here, you can see here is a, but a equals to 5 I write, but this program usually what is to do, a integer it's defined, it's mean it's real number, but one concept when you are use C program, you will write that time you must be to give int, it's mean integer, but Python have more facilities and more library. This case we only just give a, it's work if. So guys, our first data type is integer. I am writing here a equals 5. Then I print a. Then I run this code, it's showing us 5. This answer. When we use Python program, this case it's not needed to write integer. But when we are use just C program or Java program language, it's must use int, this integer number showing different. But Python have its more facilities and friendly full language. So this case we not don't need to do right integer int not defined, it automatically define it. Now I am writing with float data type. Float, suppose I give here b equals to 8.99, it's is float number, okay, and it's truly print when we are print b, it's showing us our result 8.99. And then we can another example with some modified and some speciality to see, we can to do here double quotation, then we can write here my number is, then I give here this and run this code, it's showing our my number is 8.99. It is a float number, so it's showing us first showing pointer, then 99. We are going to next step. Here I am first it comment it to do a best coder always comment their code what is to do. Then I am going it, and now I am to do integer no, sorry, now I am to do string data type to print. Suppose I am right here C equals to double quotation, then I am right here jihad and print give, then I write C, it's print us showing us jihad. I want if I want to do, I am also to do my name is jihad. I suppose I write name is, then I give double quotation close and see. Now I run this code, it's showing us my name is jihad. Let's see our result. Our result is showing my name is jihad. Comment it to do, I am doing its string. Now I to do boolean data type, and so I come here and write boolean, comment out it, then suppose I write here my bool, equals to true, print my boolean value is my sorry for the spelling mistake. And now it's showing us run our code and it's showing my value is true. Usually boolean data type is one of more interesting data type. It's mainly work true or false. If it's mainly when you to do any condition type work to do, if else this case you can use it most and pure truly and heavily use it this data type. So it's I like this data type. Our first homework is it's write number one, write your s using an integer and print it. Okay, then we are print it. Let's start to solve it. First, you are solve this problem and then comment below. Then I am waiting to see. Let's start to solve this problem. First, write my s. Okay, s is integer. My s is 20. Okay, then I am its condition here. The print all above value in a paper format. Here write my age is dot dot. Okay, no problem. I am writing here my age. My age is print right here. I am print right here. My age is I copy it. Then I paste it. My age is. Then I to do yes. Then I am print but fastest here see my age is 20. It's coming. Good. Then I am what to do. Then I am going again and now I am solve the second problem. Write your CGPA or any decimal number using a float and print it. Okay. Write your CGPA. Now I am write my CGPA. Okay. My CGPA is CGPA equals I'm write it float number 4.3.85. Now I am print it double quotation give here. Then I what is my CGPA is my CGPA is then I am give CGPA. Now I am run it again this code. You can see my program result is 4 my CGPA is 3.85. Okay, next step what to do. I am right here. Next problem solve. Let's start. Where solve. Write your favorite subject using string and start print it. Now let's start to solve problem number 3. What is writing here? Write your favorite subject. Okay. Then it's using a string, string to print it. Okay. It's mainly printed my string what I learned about above this video, first video. Now I am right here string my string equal my favorite subject. I am writing here computer science. Now I am print this strings computer science.
Thanks
Let's
for
see.
watching this
Last
video.
question is most interesting and most helpful topic. You can see here bool create a boolean to bool value to show if you are a student or no, and you can it's means it's some advanced topic we are used for this problem solve to do, but I am showing you again. Next video will come in when if its condition, that's time I am showing you, also showing you full details